Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, rear view camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.